Boost your website's performance with these CRO strategies. Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about conversion rate optimization strategies. CRO is the process of improving your website's performance to increase the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. There are several CRO strategies you can use to improve your website's conversion rate. These include improving the user experience, optimizing your landing pages, and using social proof. By implementing these strategies, you can increase the likelihood of visitors taking the desired action on your website. Remember, improving your website's conversion rate can have a significant impact on your business's bottom line. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on digital marketing. And don't forget to start implementing these CRO strategies on your website today. Start optimizing your website's conversion rate today and see the results for yourself